Hello and welcome back to the channel. This package here I just got in the mail today. It's from Arms Unlimited, as you can see here. They're located out of Las Vegas. Let's get this package open so I can show you guys what I have here. Stand by. Shooter ready. Stand by. Alright, just getting this opened up. Bam. This is the part here. And again, I got this part from Arms Unlimited. And what you guys are looking at and watching me unbox here, this is a Ambidextrous mag release. This part is really awesome. I had one of these made by a company named Norgun. And this part here that I bought from Arms Unlimited, I paid 1/3 of the cost that I paid for my Norguns. So I have one of these already installed on another rifle. I just want to show you guys how to install this, and because the other one I did not capture the installation, so just giving you guys a quick look at the part here. And also the really awesome thing about this part, it's lifetime guarantee by Arms Unlimited, so that's a really good perk. There are a couple other companies out there that carry this part. Botash Tactical, they carry this part as well. This part, the fit and finish is really awesome. It's pretty heavy duty. As you can see here, it's spring assisted. Would be pretty hard to break this part. Like I said, this part is really great. If you have a left-handed shooter in your house, this is a really great part to have. It's a great ergonomic as well as ambidextrous quality part to add to your AR platform rifle. All right, let's stop talking and let's get the install on here. Alright, what I'm going to do here is when I do a uninstallation, what I like to do is I keep these old buttons on hand. So let me grab my hex driver here. Need to take my extended mag release from this side, just remove it. I'll be off camera here for just a second till I get the right hex bit. There we go, got it. Alright, just going to remove these couple hex bolts here. And I will re-Loctite these once I'm off camera for the sake of speeding up this installation. I'm just going to remove them and then reinstall them. If you upgrade one of your rifles, I'd say you should always upgrade all your rifles to, you know, have all the controls match. That way, if you transition from one rifle in your house to another, everything is seamless. Alright, so again, I'm just going to take an old mag release button, and what I like to do is press it in and remove everything from the other side, or spin it out from the other side. So it's going to push this in. Then I'm going to spin this out, just like you see here. Alright, just going to set the old one to the side. Grab the new one here, spin it in place. It's pretty much the same deal. You're just going to thread it in until you get this flush with the button. I need a couple more turns. So let's get that pushed back through. Or at least one more turn. Let's see where we are. Yeah, that's perfect. It's nice and flush, as you can see. You can see from the side here, everything is nice and flush. Let's throw the extended mag release lever back on. Just gonna get this screwed in place, then we'll do a functions test and we'll be all set here. I already know how this Arms Unlimited Ambidextrous mag release work. It works really great. I have these on a couple different rifles. I have this particular Arms Unlimited on one rifle, and I have a Norgun installed on another rifle, and they're pretty much the same identical part. And for that Norgun, I paid about $80 for that ambidextrous mag release, and for this Arms Unlimited, I paid $25. That is amazing. $25, and it has a lifetime guarantee. So let's do this function test here. Just gonna test it dry here. You guys can see how it functions. I'm gonna lube this too, but and I have my extended for you right-hand operators. I have one on this side as well. Well, this is just extended. This is the Ambi. This gives you your Ambi quality. So let's insert a mag here. Function test. Wonderful. That is awesome. Left hand operation, as you can see, works like a charm. I love it. Alrighty. That is the installation and the review of this Arms Unlimited Ambidextrous mag release. Really awesome piece of kit. Again, price is $25 with a lifetime guarantee. As you can see, the fit and finish is really awesome. And this is a great part to incorporate in your AR platform rifle. If you have any left-hand shooters in your house, if you're ambidextrous rifle operator like myself, I can shoot just as well with my left and my right hand. So this is just a great piece of kit. Hey, if you found this video useful, give this video a thumbs up, because all those thumbs up really help the channel. It also let me know what type of content you guys like, so keep those thumbs up coming, keep those subscriptions coming. My fans out there, you guys are really awesome, so I appreciate that support. Also, I'd like to remind you guys to thank your local law enforcement, your local first responders, and your local military personnel. Those are the true American heroes. VetterGuns&Gear, bringing you this Arms Unlimited Ambidextrous mag release out here. There you go. Just want to give you that 360 panoramic.